Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play or let's play CONMEBOL Libertadores event challenge in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I already progressed until quarterfinal. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game and still confusing how you can challenge the event or complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the play, tap the live events, and tap this challenge mode. So you can play both this one CONMEBOL Libertadores without any restriction, without any condition, without any requirement. Let's try tap the first one. So I already progressed until quarterfinal. In previous video you can see the round 1 and round 2 skill game. So in this quarterfinal it will be different. This is a full match. Let's tap continue. So I'm as Arsenal versus Olympia here, and I have to score the goal to win this match, and this match is not a full minute. It starts in the 60 minutes of match. So I have to score in this game to win the match and progress into semi-final. And let's pass to the wing, make a sprint, fake move. You have to play patiently in here. And shot, failed. Let's get back, build up. So please try practice this easy match before you push your rank in head-to-head match. It's very easy game, so you can practice master the game through this challenge event. Make sure you win this game and get the rewards. All I have to do is just score one goal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.